Good afternoon. Standard 10th, subject English. Last period we learned a part of lesson number 2.2. The boy who broke the bank. So there is a passage on that part. Listen carefully. I tell about it. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. Complete the sentence using the information from the passage. First sentence, Mr. Srivastav was talking to dash of the photography shop. Second sentence, Sitaram was glad that he dash. Third sentence, according to Miss Bhushan dash. Fourth sentence, Mr. Bhushan said to his wife, you go from one shop to another like dash. So complete it. Second point, who am I? Who am I? First sentence, I am the owner of the bank. Answer. Then second sentence, I am the friend of Miss Srivastav. Third point, who said to whom? Where did you disappear? Where did you disappear? Who said to whom? In this question, second sentence, but you go from one shop to another. But you go from one shop to another. Right answer is our page number 2, page number 49-50. And Sitaram glad that dash. Banks about to go bankrupt. So A2, question number A2, complex factual activities. Complete the following. Complete the following. Miss Bhushan was uncomfortable because Miss Bhushan was uncomfortable because. Right answer of this question. Second question, what was the root cause of the rumor about Pimple Nagar Bank, or how did rumor about Pimple Nagar Bank begin? Right answer of this question. Third question, write in your own words a few sentences about Ms. Srivastav. So complete this question. Next question A3, activity based around vocabulary. Find describing words from the following from the passage. First dash shop, second dash meal, third dash tour, fourth dash tamarind tree. Now second point, complete the following table. First column verb, second noun, third adjective, fourth adverb. In first column, second column, confidence, right adjective and adverb. Verb affirm, right noun, adjective affirmative, adverb right. So noun growth, right verb, right adjective. Then next noun remark, right verb, right adjective, right adverb also. Find the words from the passage that mean the following. Usual, second raised to higher position, and third stable, and fourth without enough money to pay what you owe. That is. Then next question A4, activity based on contextual grammar. First sentence, Miss Bhushan went in search of her husband. Full stop. Second, she was sitting in front of Kamal Kishore's photography shop. Rewrite the sentence joining it with who. Who. Use who and join the two sentences. Second, that summer was the hottest in the history of Pimple Nagar. Change the sentence into positive degree. So, given sentence is in superlative degree and you change into positive degree also. You know that positive, comparative and superlative 3 degrees, and change the sentence into positive degree. Now I tell about it. That summer. So here in this sentence, the summer is hottest. Summer is hottest. Means summer is compared here. So in positive, we write no other summer. No other summer in the history of Pimpanagar was so hot as that. Like this. Next sentence, a large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar. Miss Srivastava found her friend Miss Bhushan there. Join the sentence with fear. Join the sentence with fear. Next sentence, shocking. Shocking. Rewrite it as an assertive sentence. This is exclamatory, shocking, and use the subject. There is no subject given here. So I tell you, take it. Take it. Then auxiliary verb was really, very shocking. Means answer is that it was really very shocking. It was really very shocking. And A5, personal response. Do you think Mr. Bhushan was right to compare his wife with a bee in a flower of garden? Give your reason. Give your reason. So solve this passage into your notebook as well as into your workbook also. We stop here.